Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I've been sick. I've been feeling fluish and um, all of those flu-related things since Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Look at my nails, guys. So grown out. My hair. And I'm in bed like the whole day. It hurts so much even when I cough. I've been in bed the whole day. I'm trying to figure out, like, I can't be looking like this. So I'm here. I came for a kind regards related matter to Wolfish Bay, and that is where I came and got sick. So I'm just here the whole day in bed. But I'm trying to gain some consciousness and courage, and also wanting to look good. So I'm here thinking I should probably go to Swakop tomorrow. And I spoke to my hairdresser in Swakop and my nail tech. Unfortunately, she's not available tomorrow, so I'll just drive in the morning to go get my hair done. Because Gaizan, look at your person. Gaizan, look at how I look. Like a dead log. Like I look like a dead log that must be used for making the fire. But yeah, I had some meds. Like you see, my handbag is there by my head. There's a cup that I was also using here somewhere, that I was using to drink water from my pills, for my pills. So now I'm really feeling much better. I'm gonna stand up, take a bath, and tomorrow I'm gonna travel early to Swakop to get my hair done, because so I'm gonna go tomorrow morning to Swakop to go get my hair done. And before I go back to our farm next week, Wednesday or Friday, I need to get this, guys, the growth Osipion. I need to get this taken care of, because I can't be looking like this. I can't let this over like it's not me. So yeah, that's what's been happening lately. That's what's been happening. But yeah, like I said, for today there's really nothing happening. I'm in bed. I'm gonna remain here. I'll stand up and take a bath and continue my series in bed. But for tomorrow, I'll take you guys with on my hair day journey, and yeah, we'll see what else can happen. Yeah, and we'll see what else can happen. But stay tuned. Guys, I'm really trying to hype myself up, and trying to, guys, when I do that now, then this entire part, like inside my nose, my nostril, every piece of nerve that is in there is painful. Like my tummy hurts from coughing and sneezing. I've been sick for days. Luckily I got some meds today. Yesterday I also came out very late from the office, so there wasn't really any time to go get meds. Really got a med lemon. Oh my god. Yeah, but like I was saying, I at least got some meds in. And now I feel a little bit better. I already took 2 doses. In the morning and in the afternoon. It's now past 5. And it's because, I think it is because this place is extremely hot, man. This place is hot. And this bay is forever cold, or most of the time our place is cold. And my body is used to the cold temperatures, I think. This is maybe why I got sick when I came here. It's not going well with me. It's not. But yeah, I will do this thing. And we'll rise and shine. But guys, even though I look crusty and sick and all of that, don't forget to do the most. If this is the first time you stumble upon my channel, I hope you love it here. I hope you enjoy whatever content I'm giving out here. Please do the most and subscribe to my channel, and let's grow this teeny tiny family together. Like, comment and share, and yeah, that's the order of the day. And to my day ones, chill us by the heart. Chill us by the heart. I love what we do here, so let's keep doing it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share my channel. Comment. And let's do this thing. It's December, so yeah, I think we are going to do more nice content. Yeah, I think we are going to be shooting nicer content, and we will be a little bit more consistent than usual. So I shall plus it to share with the people also at the farms. Go to Vate, and let's grow this channel together, guys. I love you, my lovers, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm having a much more productive day. talk to you guys today. But yeah, finished doing my hair. It's the black braids for me. Oof. I'm there. Guys, it's home o'clock. I'm at my house. I'm going back now. Hey guys, I am back home to my safe haven, and it feels so nice to be back home after a week. And you know what I did? The first thing, let me show you guys. One of the first things I did, like coffee at home. Ah, smells so divine. Anyway, I'm having bread and eggs for dinner because I'm exhausted and I'm alone. Baby, I'm alone, so I'm having bread and eggs with some coffee. I'll show you guys how dinner looks. And I can't wait to take a warm bubble bath before I go cuddle with my bed. I'm so excited to be home, guys. It feels like I was away forever, and it's a nice feeling. It's a nice feeling to be finally home and in my safe space doing things that I love and all of that. So like a couple, guys. If you are a homeowner, you'll understand. But yeah, that's what's up. It's the cup of coffee for me. Hey guys, so not so cool. I'm coming to you from here, but it is what it is, guys. You know the stories with flu. The one day you fine, the next day you feel all these things again. So yeah, I'm in bed. I'm back home in Hendy's Bay, by the way, and I'm in bed. I just came on here to close off the vlog actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a few days. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please do like and if you ain't subscribed yet to my channel, do the most, guys. Please do subscribe and let's grow this family together. Yeah, there isn't really much happening for now, and like I said, with the flu, it's just not going away. The one day you're fine, the next day you're down again, and that is what's happening to me currently. But we move. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one, which I don't know when it's gonna be, but I must made a promise. But I must set it's December and we are going to shoot nicer content and be a little more consistent. Oh my world. My yeah, that's the plan. Oh that's yeah, that's the plan. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and I love you so much. Thank you for being part of my little family. Please, like I said, do like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my channel, and let's do life together. Love you, my lovers.